Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. I want to go over something real quick with you. I'm changing an engine, an entire assembly, engine tranny transfer case on a Toyota Rav4 2010, I believe it is. Here it is. That's it right there. That's the one out of the car. Right here, I'm yanking it out. Anyway, what I wanted to get into about is didn't make a lot of sense. Anyway, you know what I mean. What I want to get into is the wiring harness. Now, the donor vehicle is also a 2010 all-wheel drive, automatic, obviously, and the wiring harness itself. And I'll show you this. This is the original wiring harness out of the vehicle. I just took it off that setup there, so I have it here, and it's ready to go on the other motor, which I already pulled out yesterday. And I've run into this before, where you think everything's correct with the wiring harness, so you swap everything over. You plug everything in, and guess what? It's not the same. I've run into that where I've had two cylinders not firing because the pinouts are different in the computer for whatever reason. I've just had different odd issues. Transmission stuff, especially because like this controls the transmission also. So basically it's just easier to swap the entire harness out while you have it apart. Because putting it all together to find out that, hey, something's not quite right, that's a big hassle. So anyway, it's just what I wanted to go over. Real quick and easy. I'm just swapping harnesses. And that's about it. Hope you guys are having a great day. Keep wrenching.